Hello, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors. Welcome, and let me introduce to you another amazing design in our SuperCore lineup. Check out the carbonized pine. It is quite striking, folks. It has pretty much a black and white palette, and of course you naturally get some blended gray tones in here. This floor looks amazing. How fun is this? I have to compliment the boss, Alan, for picking this one out. It is really cool. We're going to be showing this on our website under model number SPC041X. It is an Xtreme 30 mil super tough commercial wear layer. So let's just take a look and walk around this section. We've wrapped it out, a whole box, which is about 30 square feet. Just to show it off for you guys. And you can go ahead and go on our website and order some free samples. If you would rather, you can email sales@WeShipFloors.com. You could call us 844-356-6711. And over here to my right, I have a high color photography light. Really shows the details and vivid color here. Over to the left is more so a big window. So we got a lot of natural light right there. Let me get down close so you can see some of this character. Wow, that looks so realistic. Really amazing on this design. Yeah, so let us know what you think about this. And if you want a sample, go ahead and get on the website. It's SPC041X Carbonized Pine. Thanks, guys.